Solve the following system by substitution. So when you're trying to find a solution using substitution, you have to have one of your equations with a variable solved for or by itself. Here in the original system, neither of our equations meets that condition. So we're going to have to rewrite one of the equations in order to do that. We're going to have to solve for one of the variables. And there's not a right or wrong answer for which one you want to solve for. Both equations could be solved for x and y. But looking at the second equation, the x variable has a -1 coefficient. So I'm going to choose the second equation, solving for x. I believe that would be the fastest, easiest way to get a variable by itself. So we'll subtract 6y. So -x equals -6y minus 12. And we'll divide by -1. So that x equals 6y plus 12. So now we can take that expression, 6y plus 12, and we can substitute it into the other equation for x. So that will give us a new equation of 2 times, not x, but 6y plus 12 minus 8y equals 20. We'll distribute the 2, so 12y plus 24 minus 8y equals 20. Combine like terms, which is not 24, 12y and minus 8y to be 4y plus 24 equals 20. Subtract 24 from both sides, so 4y equals -4. And divide by 4 to get that y equals -1. So now we've solved for y, and now we can take that value and substitute it in for y in either of our two equations. I'm going to choose the second equation, -x plus 6y equals -12, and substitute in that y we just found is -1, because now I can solve for x, the other half of our solution. So -1 times 6 is -6. Add 6 to both sides. -x equals 12. And, oh, wait. This is not a -t. Let me go back. I was confusing myself a little on my handwriting, but this is -x minus 6 equals -12. Add 6 to both sides to get -x equals -6. Divide by -1, so x equals 6. So if we put that together to make our ordered pair, that would give us 6, -1. Looking at our answer choices would be the solution of A, 6, -1.